Hey there, science fans! Are you ready to dive into an incredible journey happening inside your own body? Ever wonder how you get energy from the food you eat? It's not just about munching on your favorite snacks. It's like a super cool adventure happening inside you right now. It's digestion. This process is what turns your food into the fuel your body needs. Our bodies are amazing machines, and to keep running, they need fuel. Just like a car needs gasoline, we need food to keep us going. That's where the digestive system swoops in to save the day. Imagine it as your body's very own superhero team, working tirelessly to keep you energized. Think of your digestive system as a food processing factory. It breaks down everything you eat into smaller parts that your body can use. It breaks down all the yummy stuff you eat, like pizza, apples, or even broccoli, into tiny little pieces. These tiny pieces are packed with nutrients, which are like super vitamins that give your body energy to play, learn, and grow. These nutrients are essential for everything you do. They help you run faster, think clearer, and even make your muscles stronger. Without digestion, your body wouldn't know what to do with all that delicious food. So, next time you eat, remember the amazing journey your food takes to power you up. The digestive adventure begins in your mouth. Your teeth are like tiny chomping machines, breaking down food into smaller pieces. Chewing is super important because smaller pieces are easier to digest. Your tongue helps out by moving the food around and mixing it with saliva. Saliva is like a magic potion made by your mouth. It helps soften the food even more and makes it slippery so it can slide down easily. See, digestion is already working its magic. Once you swallow, the food travels down a tube called the esophagus. Think of it as a slide taking the food on its journey. The esophagus is like a muscular tube that gently squeezes the food downwards. It's pretty cool how it works. Muscles contract and relax to push the food along. This process is called peristalsis, and it happens without you even thinking about it. Section 4. Mixing and mashing the stomach's hard work. Next stop, the stomach. This is where the real magic happens in our digestive journey. This is where things get really interesting. The stomach is a fascinating organ that plays a crucial role in breaking down the food we eat. Your stomach is like a stretchy bag that churns and mixes the food with special juices. These juices are called gastric juices, and they are essential for digestion. These juices are super strong. They can even break down tough stuff like meat. Imagine how powerful they must be to dissolve something as tough as a steak. Did you know your stomach can stretch to hold about 1 liter of food? That's a lot of space for all the delicious meals you enjoy. That's like a whole carton of milk. Just think about how much your stomach can hold and process at one time. The stomach mashes and mixes the food until it becomes a thick liquid, kind of like a smoothie. This thick liquid is called chyme, and it's ready to move on to the next stage of digestion. Section 5. Superintestines and the end of the line. Now the food, all soupy and smooth, goes into the small intestine. This is where the real magic happens in your digestive system. Don't let the name fool you. The small intestine is actually very long, coiled up inside you. It's about 20 feet long in adults, which is like having a long rope all packed inside your belly. Here, even more amazing juices help break down the food even further. These juices come from the pancreas and liver, and they work together to make sure the food is broken down into tiny pieces. The small intestine is where your body absorbs all the good nutrients from the food, sending them into your blood to give you energy. These nutrients include vitamins, minerals, proteins, and carbohydrates, which are essential for your body to function properly. Finally, whatever is left goes into the large intestine, where water is absorbed. The large intestine is shorter but wider than the small intestine, and it helps to turn the leftover waste into a more solid form. And guess what? The leftover waste comes out as, you guessed it, poop. This is the final stage of digestion, where your body gets rid of what it doesn't need. That's the incredible journey of your food. From the moment you take a bite, to the time it leaves your body, your digestive system works hard to keep you healthy and energized. Quiz time. 1. What is the name of the process of breaking down food in your body? 2. What does saliva do? 3. What is the name of the stretchy bag that churns food? 4. Where does your body absorb most of the nutrients from food?